In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add multiple clocks to the always on display on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. Begin by opening the settings app and then scroll and select lock screen and AOD. From here, tap on edit lock screen. Alternatively, you can long press on your lock screen and then both actions will bring you to the lock screen editor. From here, tap on the current clock style or whatever it is you're using at the top, and then look for the option that allows you to add multiple clocks. It should look something like this, and the next step is to tap on Add City. From here, use this globe or this search bar to add different cities. So say for example you wish to add Abu Dhabi, you would tap on it, then select add, and you can see it being added in the preview. You have the option of increasing the size of the widget if you'd like. And once you've added as many cities as you want, tap on done to save and apply the changes. From here, when you access the always on display, you should see you'll have multiple clocks on it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.